Ever wondered where Canadians are flocking to in record numbers? Ontario's cities are experiencing a remarkable transformation, with some growing at mind-boggling speeds. Let's explore the fastest-growing urban hotspots reshaping the province's landscape. Milton leads the pack as Ontario's fastest-growing city, with its population surging by an astounding 56% in just 10 years. This former farming community has evolved into a vibrant suburban hub, attracting young families with its perfect blend of urban amenities and natural spaces. The city's strategic location near Toronto, combined with more affordable housing options, has made it an irresistible choice for newcomers. Next up is Bradford West Gwillimbury, where population growth has exceeded 40% over the past decade. This charming town between Lake Simcoe and the Greater Toronto Area offers residents the best of both worlds: peaceful country living with easy access to big city opportunities. New housing developments and expanding business parks have transformed this once quiet community into a dynamic urban center. East Gwillimbury has emerged as another population magnet, growing by 35% in recent years. This York Region gem has carefully managed its expansion while preserving its natural beauty. With major investments in infrastructure and public transit, the city has become a model for sustainable urban growth. Brampton continues to surge ahead, with its population swelling by over 30%. As one of the youngest and most diverse cities in Canada, Brampton's growth is fueled by immigration, excellent educational institutions, and a thriving business sector. The city's transformation into a major economic hub has created thousands of new jobs, attracting professionals from across the globe. In Innisfil, growth has topped 25%, driven by innovative urban planning and technology integration. This forward-thinking city made headlines as the first municipality to accept cryptocurrency for tax payments, showcasing its commitment to innovation. New developments around Lake Simcoe have created attractive waterfront communities that draw both permanent residents and seasonal visitors. Finally, Aurora rounds out our list with its impressive 20% growth rate. This affluent community has mastered the art of expanding while maintaining its historic charm. Superior schools, abundant parks, and a flourishing arts scene have made Aurora a magnet for families seeking an elevated quality of life outside Toronto's busy core. These rapidly expanding cities share common threads: strategic location, innovative development, and a strong focus on quality of life. As Ontario continues to attract newcomers from across Canada and around the world, these urban centers are leading the way in showing how cities can grow both quickly and sustainably.